Let's get it, bros. As you can see, we got it. God damn, this is heavy. We got the ROG Strix OLED XG27 AQDMG, bros, from Republic Games. Hell yeah, bro, we did it. Let's unbox this bad boy. Alrighty, bros. We got the big box right here. This is gonna be crazy to unbox. This might be my longest video. This monitor was about $580 with the Black Friday, so I'm gonna leave the link. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video enough to buy the not the keyboard, the OLED monitor, because I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube, and bros, this monitor has been it. I did so much research, but we're finally gonna get to unbox my brand new monitor. Don't cut yourselves, you guys. Please open with ease. Oh damn! Be careful cutting into it because there is styrofoam. Woo! You can do it. Come on. Oh no, I broke it. Oh shit. Okay, so yeah, there was a way to open up the box, but there's stuff in the back.
You got your base plate for what you put underneath it. Sounded pretty sturdy when it fell. Oh, you got your little tools, I'm guessing? Oh no, your wiring. Pretty sure it's the display port and the wires needed to power on this bad boy. And what is this? Damn, this is sturdy. This is the arm to attach to the base of the monitor. I think I said that right. Oh no, I'm just geeked out. Ow! 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 What was that? So we're feeling like someone possibly broke it. Was the power supply to the monitor and the cable that connects to this connected to the monitor? Woo! Let's get it.
There's so many things too. What is this? Oh, this is what connects to the back of the monitor. Woo! This is scary. So be careful opening this monitor, you guys, because a lot of things just keep falling apart. I probably opened it wrong. The thing that everybody's been waiting for, though, the actual monitor itself. Gotta pull it up. Wow, this already looks way bigger than I'm used to. Pull the plastic off, I'd be super sad. Look at that beauty, bro. Oh my god. Let's get this plugged up and installed. Let's go. But first things first, before we install our monitor, we have to remove the old one. Let's do that really quick. But yeah, that's the monitor that we bought, boys. So apparently we got a strip screw in the back of the plate, so I gotta, don't know how I'm gonna take it out, but I'm gonna take it out regardless. Let's get it. I'm gonna pause it right. I got it, you guys. Obviously you wanna connect to the baseboard. You do that by connecting the arm to the baseboard. You wanna flip it over, because there's a screw underneath it, as you can see right there. All I gotta do is just twist it. Twist it till it's tight. If you get my drift, arm is ready. Now let's install this bad boy. Loki, how do you do that? A little bit confusion. I'm pissed. I'm so stupid. This is what goes on the arm, I'm guessing. Right there, you see that? All you gotta do is just get your actual monitor and just slap it on there. You hear that snap? And it's ready to go. Wow, you guys. That is actually freaking huge. Pull up by gaming, take that off. Whew, there you go. Before I remove that plastic, I want to actually get this turned on. But yeah, that's how it's looking like. Pretty sure that's where the power supplies and that goes, and then the display ports. Come on, focus. I got everything plugged up. Cable management is a mess. Let me remove that, and let's get this boy powered on. Oh wait, I forgot the damn, I forgot to plug in the computer. That looks insane. You got, whoa, yeah. What I noticed so far is that the quality of the thing. The quality of the OLED monitor looks amazing. So it's telling me standard mode setting may result in higher power consumption. Hell yeah! Woo! First off the bat, I see that the bottom has like a little red glowing logo to it. But yeah, this looks so nice. The bezels aren't too bad. They're a little bit quarter of an inch, so that's not too bad. But yeah, this looks insane. This looks insane. Best Christmas present to myself ever. Damn, the quality looks insane. Whoa, it has RGB in the back. Look, you guys, before we show you guys the test, look at the RGB in the back. That is so freaking dope. Well, yeah, $600. Better have some RGB in the back. Bros, all the blacks are literally black. That is insane. We loaded up Red Dead Redemption. We're gonna turn off the lights and see how cool this is, you guys. Oh, I'm geeked the fuck out. I don't care. Woo! That already looks too good. Skip this shit. Oh my god. Dude, this looks too cool. 1440p, 240 full screen. And it's all the way turned up. I don't know how much. Damn, it's using most of my VRAM. But yeah, I feel like we're going like 40 FPS, but dude, it still looks cool. Yeah, this is nice. After 2 hours of trying to install this OLED monitor, we finally got it to work. Yes, I know the stand is amazing. It's very sturdy, but I don't really like when there's something underneath the monitor. I usually have my keyboard underneath it like so. It gives me more extra space, especially having like these arm extensions to hold up the monitor itself. The colors of this monitor is just out of this fucking world. My bad for my language, but it's just the truth. Leave me alone. I didn't believe my brother, but bro, once I turned on the monitor and put on the OLED test video, it was insane. Like the colors, you have to be there to see how crystal clear the color, the vibrance of the color, how black turns really black. Like the color, the pixel actually turns off, which is the whole point of OLED, right? It turns off the actual blacks. It just makes gaming insane. I will be leaving the link to this monitor in the description below. If you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments below what else should I review. I'll probably won't review something as expensive as this monitor because this monitor did run me up $570. The original price is around $700, not including taxes, so it'd be like a $735. But if I were you guys, I would definitely get this monitor. It's amazing. 10 out of 10. I still have to do like a 1 week review or like a 3-day review, a 1 week review, a 2 week, a 1 month, and a 6 month, and then a 1 year review. Because dude, you just have to be there to believe it. Let's take off the plastic before I forget and install one of the stickers that come inside of the box. Let's take it off. You guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, do whatever you guys want, but just let me know if the video was good or bad. All criticism is invited. That's all a part of the game, bro. If you're really about it, you don't care what people have to say. Only take the positive comments, the positive criticism into mind. Whatever you give power to will become your reality. You guys are the best. I do this for the love of the game, you guys. I don't do it for the money. I don't care about the money, you guys. Ever since I've been a little kid, I wanted to upload videos, upload to YouTube. I dream of having a play button. But those who win are the ones that never give up. Always remember that. Thank you, you guys.